Hi Sugar Geeks, Liz here. Today I am going to show you how to make a light, fluffy, decadent homemade chocolate mousse. I know it sounds fancy, but it's actually super easy. And it's coming up next on the Sugar Geek Show. So the first thing we're gonna do is prepare all of our ingredients. Don't worry, this is super simple. Step one is melt down your chocolate. You can do this in the microwave in 30-second increments, or you could do it over a double boiler. Once it's fully melted, you wanna keep it warm. I like to keep mine just in the microwave until it's ready to be added into the rest of the ingredients. Next, we're gonna take our honey and add it to a saucepan and just bring it to a simmer. And then we're going to pour this honey into our whisked egg yolks. So you might be like, what's the point of all of this? Well, the hot honey is going to basically cook the egg yolks just enough so that they're safe to eat, and it's also going to make our mousse taste delicious. Think of it like a chocolate custard. Slowly pour your hot honey into the egg yolks while whisking continuously to avoid getting some scrambled eggs in there. Don't worry, if you do get some scrambled eggs, you can strain them out. Okay, so now go ahead and add in your salt, and now we're going to continue whisking, this time with an electric mixer, or you could put it into your stand mixer with the whisk attachment. And we wanna whip a ton of air into this mixture until it's light and fluffy and gets to something called the ribbon stage. And what this means is that there's so much air whipped into the mixture that when you drizzle it off your spatula, it creates a ribbon that kind of sits on top of the surface of your mixture before it all settles down inside. Add about half of the melted chocolate to the egg honey mixture and just fold that together until it's combined. And then you can fold in the remaining chocolate until everything is evenly distributed. Be careful while you're folding so you don't push out all of that air. All right, so go ahead and add your heavy cream to the bowl of your stand mixer with the whisk attachments, or you can mix this by hand. And you wanna just mix it until you reach soft but firm peaks. So not super stiff like curdled whipped cream. Now we're going to add a folded chocolate egg mixture to the whipped cream, gently folding, not taking out any of that air. And then go ahead and add in your vanilla, or you can use rum. Once you don't have any streaks or chunks of chocolate, it's all done. So now your chocolate mousse is done. You could pipe it just as is into little cups and chill them before serving, but I like to add a little crushed Oreos or crushed cookies, dulce de leche, caramel, you get the idea, to the bottom of the cup first, and then add the mousse on top. And it just adds a little bit of texture, so you have like the creaminess from the mousse and then the texture from the cookies, and it's so delicious. Top with some more whipped cream, a little sprig of mint, and that's it. That is how you make your very own homemade delicious chocolate mousse. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ding the little bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out. I'm Liz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!